This video will show you how to run the ACQ program. Begin by launching the Control Center. There are several ways to launch the Control Center. The Control Center can be found in the Generic folder on your desktop. Click on the Control Center icon to launch the Control Center. You can also click on the Terminal button on the top of the screen to open the terminal window. Then type Control Center, press Return or Enter to launch Control Center. You can also open the terminal by right-clicking to bring up a pop-up menu. Select Open in Terminal to open the terminal, and then type Control Center, press Return or Enter to launch Control Center. Once the Control Center is open, you are ready to launch the ACQ program. From the Control Center, press Acquire Data. This will pop up the CTF Message Center. You can move this aside, and behind it you will see the Initialization Program dialog for ACQ. This might take a while, but eventually, when communication with the electronics is established, you will see a DSQ electronics error dialog. Typically there is actually no error, and you can just press Continue. The Select Study dialog will then pop up. This dialog lists the available studies that you can load. Each study contains specific acquisition parameters such as specific sample rates, number of epochs, and so on. Select the study that you would like to load. In this example, we will be collecting some noise data. The main acquisition dialog then appears. In this dialog, you will be able to make changes to the naming of the participant, the accession number, the run parameters, including the run number, as well you have access to file, settings, and hardware menus. You can also launch ACQ using a terminal window, either by right-clicking to bring up a dialog to select Open in Terminal, or by selecting the Terminal button on the top of your screen. Type ACQ into the terminal window to launch ACQ. Notice, because you're not using Control Center this time, the Control Center message dialog does not appear. Again, this might take a few seconds before ACQ loads. Once it loads, the DSQ electronics error dialog will appear. Click Continue, select your study to bring up the main ACQ dialog.